Good morning, all. Myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today we have to discuss the chapter CF and PI. And CF and PI is the chapter associated with higher order differential equation with constant coefficient. First, we have to understand what is the basic difference between higher order constant coefficient and linear differential equation of second order and third order. So if we illustrate with one example, we take one differential equation who's given by dny upon dxn plus p1 dn minus 1 y into dxn minus 1 plus p2 dn minus 2 y upon dxn minus 2 plus pn y equals to qx. Here p1, p2, pn and q is function of x or constants. If these p1, p2, p3 and q's values is constant, then function is known higher order differential equation with constant coefficient. And if ये p1, p2 and pn value in the term of x, then function is known as a second order or linear order differential equation या higher order differential equations. So we use some operator notations. So we write dy by dx of d of capital D of y, d2y dx square equals to d square y and so on. And 1 over d means integration. The complete solution of this equation is known as CS, and it is given by CF plus PI. CF stands for complementary function and PI stands for particular integration. First we have to find out the solutions. We have to find out the auxiliary equation. So we put m value of m instead of value d. So we find the value of d. So we have find out the value of m. So according to value of m, there is a different way to find out the CF. So first way, if value of m is real, then roots are different. The first part is roots are different. Then m1, m2 and up to mn are the different roots of auxiliary equations. Then equation is given by y equals to c1 e की power m1x plus c2 m2 की power x plus cn e m3 की power x and so on. Similarly, if there are the two roots are same, it means m1 and m2 equals to m, then equation is given by y equals to c1 plus c2x into e की power mx, and roots are other different than c3 m3x and so on. If three roots are same, it means m1 m2 m3 is values equals to m, and other roots are different, then y equals to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into e की power mx plus c4 m4x and cn e की power mx and so on. If roots are complex, it means roots in the form of alpha plus iota beta, then CF is given by y equals to c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x e की power alpha x plus c3 e की power m3x plus cn e की power mnx. Okay, and if roots are such, it means roots in the form of alpha plus root beta, then CF is given by c1 cos hyperbolic root bx plus c2 sin hyperbolic root bx and so on. Now we take some example to how this work. So my first question is d2y over dx square minus 8 dy by dx plus 15y equals to 0. So we replace dy by dx into d and d2y over dx square by d square. So we put d square minus 5d plus 15y equals to 0. For finding the auxiliary equation, we put d by m. So m square minus 5 8m plus 15 equals to 0. So m roots is given by 3 and 5. These are real root and different. Then CF is given by y equals to c1 e की power 3x plus c2 e की power 5x. And another, wait, I take another example, d4 minus 2d cube minus 3d square minus 4d plus 4y equals to 0. So we substitute value m in place of d. So we find the value m4 plus 2m cube minus 3m square minus 4m plus 0 equals to 0. And by factorization method we find the factors of the given equation is 1 1 minus 2 and minus 2. So there are two roots there, two different roots. 1 and 1 is repeated root and minus 2 and minus 2 is the repeated roots. So so my CF is given by y equals to c1 plus c2x into e की power x plus c3 plus c4x into e की power minus 2x. These are our part for CF. In next lecture we have to study about particular integral. Thank you.